At this stage, I'm not focused on likeness or beauty yet. What matters most is correct structure and correct axis. I start with the sphere of the skull, because every head angle is built from this basic form. The cross on the sphere helps me define the direction of the head. When the cross tilts, I immediately know how the head is turning and tilting. This side plane is very important. It separates the front plane from the side of the head. After establishing the head structure, I divide the facial proportions. The brow, nose, and chin follow the Loomis Method guidelines. At this stage, I use very light lines, because this is just a map for placing the features. I'm not committing to strong lines or details yet. The lower jaw is drawn as a solid form, not as a sharp triangle. Think of the jaw as a rounded box in 3D space. When shading, I use only two main values, light and shadow, to clearly show the form for beginners. The goal of this drawing is not a finished portrait, but understanding the structure of the human head. Portrait drawing doesn't start with the eyes or the nose. It starts with structure and axis. During this phase, I drew the details for my character. The eyes are the windows to the soul, so we'll draw this detail carefully to focus the viewer's gaze. Increase the intensity to create volume for the hair, then add details to the individual strands. Thank you for watching my video in this lesson on important points. To remember when drawing portraits, think in 3D, not in details. Goodbye and see you in my next video.